This is my Frigidaire oven stove, gas converted to liquid propane. I've had it for 17 years now, and it is becoming more and more problematic. I'm having a hard time I can't use the oven and the stove at the same time. So, and I also can't use more than one burner at the same time. You turn one on, turn one on and you have a nice flame. As soon as you turn another one on, the flame goes to nothing. So I'm hoping that by installing a new regulator, I bought a regulator that attaches to the tank outside, and I'm going to install this and see if that solves the problem. This is my outside setup. And I'm going to change that regulator right there for this one. That fit in just perfectly, and the advantage of this new regulator is I can just install this the easy way. Screw it in righty-tighty. There we go. Nice and tight. Open this back up. Alright, test our oven. Testing. One flame. Nice and big. Second. Ooh. 2. 3. And 4. Look at that. 4 flames on high. Yes. Now let me see if I turn on the oven. That flame continues. Something to bake. Okay, the oven has gas, and we still have a stove. We're good to go. All it was a regulator.